Chapter 3, pair of linear equations into variables, exercise 3.1. Example 3. On comparing a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent. Now, what is the condition for consistent and inconsistent? For consistent, the system must have unique solution, unique or infinite many solution, and inconsistent, no solution. So let the system of equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. This condition is there, then the system has unique solution and the system is consistent. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then the system has infinite many solutions and the system is consistent. So this is the second condition. Means the system has either unique or infinite solutions, then the system is consistent. And the third is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2. Then the system has no solution and the system is inconsistent. Now let us have the first example, that is 3x plus 2y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Let us have the like this. Comparing with system a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b1y plus c2 is equal to 0. So a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, or if the system is a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 and a2x plus b2y is equal to c2, because this system is in this second type of format. So a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 2, b1 is equal to 2, coefficient of y in the first equation, b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 equal to 5 and c2 equal to 7. Here if we see a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 2 and b1 by b2 is equal to 2 by minus 3, that is minus 3 by 2. Clearly we see here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then no need to go further. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to, here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. Therefore the system has unique solution, means only one solution, and so the system of equations is consistent. So this is the first example. Come to the second example. 2x minus 3y is equal to 8 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 9. So its solution. Comparing with the system a1x plus b1y is equal to c1 because this type of system is, so we get a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 4, b1 is equal to -3, b2 is equal to -6, and c1 is equal to 8, and c2 is equal to 9. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to -3 by -6. So -3 by -6, negative get cancel, and 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. And c1 by c2 is equal to 8 by 9. We can see a1 by a2 is 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. So they are equal and not equal to c1 by c2. So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, and therefore the system has no solution. And so the system of equations is inconsistent. So in the first case, in the first example it is consistent, and the second example it is inconsistent.